2018. Got a few movers today. We'll see if we can get in them at the right time today and get something out of them. Gonna take a short here on CENX at the ask if it gives it to me. FLR. Oh, we're in CNX. Gonna try a short here at the ask on FLR if it gives it to us. And we're in. We're in for 47.22 on FL. Daily looks good. Broke down through all these support levels yesterday after earnings, and some continuation this morning. So it tried a little recovery here, went up about a point, and now it's coming back. I like this one at least 50 cents, below 47 if possible. Let's take a look at CNEX, got in this one too. This one looks good too. Daily looks really good. It's been downtrending. Gap down today. This one had a nice fight right at the open. A lot of buyers came in, but right afterwards, a lot of sellers just pushed it right back down. Now we're sitting here. I like to see this bust the bottom here and go down. I'd like to get at least under 1450. Oh, FL. Let's take a look at FL. It's looking good. Let's take a look at this thing up close. I'm going to take this right here for about took about 70 cents from FLR first trade. I'm going to take a short on HA at the ask here if it gives it to us. And we're in. We're in at 37.65. Daily's kind of strong, so you want to be careful with this one. But it had bad earnings yesterday, I believe. And had more continuation to the downside on pre-market. So market opens, dip buying, and now over the 9. Now it's coming back down. Yeah. This would have been nice to get it up here. You would have already had it a lot. But it's okay. It's coming our way. Let's take a look at this thing up close. I like at least 30 cents if possible. IBM. I'm going to take it here at the ask if it gives it to me. And we're in. We're in at 141.37. Daily looks good. It's been downtrending quite a bit. Had some news on it this morning that Warren Buffett is totally out of his position on IBM. So I think you might have a nice reversal here above the 9. Flushed at the open. Reversal up above the 9. Very risky. Why? Because it's a big company. You're going to have a lot of people that are going to buy the dips, which as you see here, they're buying here. But that's pretty big news that Warren Buffett sold off his whole position. So I like to see this turn around, and once it does, you're going to get some momentum. Let's take a look at HA. I'm going to take it right here at the 30 if it gives it to me. 37.30. And we're out. We're out for about 35 cents or so. Gonna take a short here on BABA at the ask if it gives it to me. And we're in. We're in at 180.50. Daily's a little bit choppy past 4 months, but I like this topping tail here we had today. Shot up to 192 and then it just got sold off really hard. And came down today at the open, gap down, had a choppy rally all the way up to this topping tail right here, and now it's on its way down. So it's got momentum on its side. So I'm thinking I can take a few cents out of this. It's coming our way right now. Let's take a look at it up close. Here it comes. I like at least 30 cents if possible. It's already made a good sized move from here to here. You know, it just took out this whole green candle right here. So I'm thinking it's gonna continue down. Here it comes. I'm gonna take this right here for about 45 cents or so, or 42 cents. 42 cents. IBM, it's not looking so good here. We'll see how it reacts up here, and then I'll decide if I'm gonna just come out of this one, because this one is risky. Let's take a look at IBM. We got in at right here at 41.37, I believe, and it took off. Went right up to here, right up to yesterday's close, just about tapped it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a stop, buy stop, right at 142.01. Yeah, putting a stop is a necessary evil. You know, if you don't put a stop in, whether it's a mental stop or a hard stop, you're in trouble. But the problem with any stop is most of the time, once it hits your stop, it reverses and goes the way you thought it was going to go. Not all the time, but a lot of times. So, but they do save you from big mistakes. Like right here, it went up and it started to turn around. So, you know, that's going to be my stop right there, because if it goes up again up there, most likely it'll take that out and go keep going. It's a big company, so you got to put that in perspective too. CNX got away from us. Got in it right here after I saw this big red take out this big green, which usually means it's gonna go down, but nope. Went right back up. And now it's downtrending. I might get out of this one for a small loss. Yeah, I'm gonna come out right here. For a 15-cent loss. Just because this one's just playing games, you know. Big huge green candle, then big huge red candle. Just like that, you know. So all of a sudden it starts going up. Big huge green candle, red candle, bunch of little candles. So what's that tell me? Right around here you're gonna get another big huge green candle. And you know, it's just playing games, so better off just taking a small loss and get out of it. Let's take a look at IBM here. It's about to hit my stop. See if it does. Not yet. It will though. The market's shooting up. Very, very small chance that it won't. Here it comes. Watch right here. And we're out. We're out of IBM. Shot right up. Just got out of IBM for a loss of about 65 cents or so. Yeah. See, there it goes. Broke that area there, so it just took off. So plus the market hasn't stopped. Has not stopped. Like, it's just following the market. Look, up, up. Took a little dip here. Took a little dip here. Monster squeeze up here. Boom. So it's just following the market right now. Anyways, that's going to be my last trade. Up 84. Let's take a look at the trades. 3 winners and 2 losers. Biggest winner on FLR. Biggest loser on IBM. And that's it. Thanks for watching.